This is how you can easily purchase shares on Barita B.O.S. Go to baritaboss.com, select Buy IPOs or APOs. Create an account by selecting B.O.S account if you do not already have a Barita account online. Next, click on Create Account. Read the terms and conditions and tick the checkboxes to accept. Enter your full name, first name, last name, email address, cell phone number, and for the passwords, they must match. Select Create Account and you're set up. Please check your email for instructions on how to activate your account. You will see an email to activate your B.O.S account. Click on Activate My Account. This will take you back to the offer to click Apply Now. Insert your investment amount and select from the share pool options, non-reserved, existing shareholders, and key investors. Then select Continue, where you put in your personal details, name. All areas with an asterisk must be completed. Also, you can add your joint if there's a joint on your account, and add your minor if the minor is on account. The minor will also need a TRN. You must have a JCSD account number in order to purchase shares. So if you have, click Yes and enter the JCSD information, including your broker account, and select your broker from the options. Also, your banking details in case of a refund or a dividend payment. Select Continue. At step 3, you upload 2 supporting documents, your government issued ID and your tax registration number, TRN. Select Continue to upload your signature. This can be electronic, or you download a form to sign and upload. To use electronic signature, you select Request Signature link and sign on your phone screen or tablet. And we're at step 4 for payment verification. Be sure to have evidence of your payment. If not, select No and come back later to add. There are the options. Select Yes and choose from the payment methods shown. Upload your payment receipt, review your information, and submit application.